bantu bakandimande bengisacela ukuthi nihlukane nathi. Sengikhathele ulokhu ngenzana nama-video ngilokhu ngicelana nani ukuthi nihlukane nathi. Letho kuhle Ndimande nomamakho. Ngicela ukuthi nihlukane nathi. Nibhizi la niyasithuka nithi thina sidume ngendlala la eSouth Africa. Nina nilokhu niyas-attack mina nomama nithi umama uthole umsebenzi ongasile. Sidakwa amaphilisi asendalo enhle Herbs and Beyond. Ayasidayisa yiyo lawo asenza ukuthi silokhu silandelana nama-likes nama-followers. Sicela ukuthi nihlukane nathi mangabe ingekho into enifuna ukuyisho, ingekho into right enifuna ukuyisho, nihlukane nathi ngoba kade sasisho ukuthi nihlukane nathi ngoba ayikho into esikhuluma nani ngoba phela thina sikhuziwe court ukuthi singakhulumi lutho. But now you are forcing us, you are pushing us to the point where we also have to stand up. Bakade silokhu siba-blocker, siba-deleta, bayabuya ngama-account esingawazi, bathatha ama-number, bafika ngama-number esingawazi. Yo, sesikhathele, honestly, we are very tired. We've been trying to ignore this, but it's getting to the point where manje nathi asazi cause futhi baze baya-threaten asazi ukuthi senze njani. Siyacela amaphoyisa nani South Africa ukuthi ningenelele ngoba sekufaka negama lasendalo enhle bathi thina sidakwa amaphilisi akhona. Njengelambi-ke since nina nisuthi la nikhona, since nina nisuthi sicela nihlukane nathi, nihlukane nokusi-inbox ngoba nina each and every day kumele sibaleke inhlamba zenu, kumele sibaleke ama-comment wenu, kumele sibaleke zonke inhlamba enizisendela umama ngoba right now umuntu esibhekane naye uthule. Umuntu besi-expecta ukuthi ayenze lento nenenzayo uthule. Uweletho kuhle nomamakho singazi ukuthi sinenzeni thina, sinenzeni ngoba lokhu mama ase go through kona ku-enough. We don't need you guys to destroy more. Seka right sesiphumile kini, niyabuya futhi kithi, niyabuya futhi kithi. It's enough guys, it's enough. Sesizwile nathi, sesizwile kade sikhala ningasizi, sesi-right sesiphumile kini, niyabuya futhi.
Sibingelela ngenza siyacela umuqala ungene kuleli khasi lethu onzulungisa cofa subscribe button. Ngenza ukuthi uyelana-ke le ngane yentombazane-ke ikhala komndeni wakababa wayo ukuthi-ke babanakile zingane zakwethu-ke bona kanti abasayingeni indaba yabo because bahlulekile ibona ekuqaleni. Mina-ke nawe ngenza ukuthi bengathanda sihlangane laphana kwi-comment section sizuvula lwakho ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba. Ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button le channel yethu. Danke. Sikuphathele ezishisayo, hlala nomgosi kusukela Monday kuya ku-Sunday. Ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button kule channel yethu.